I see them.
If I didn't have surgery, I'd be living that up for you guys.
How many?
There's a bunch down there.
That's why mommy's bitching. She's like, Mommy.
Is there fish in there? I think I saw 5 or 4.
Good evening, guys. This is Jeremy Standby. Just so you guys know, we're here off of North College Drive, and I forgot to add the road, but they're saving some ducklings inside the drains. I'll probably have you set up right here, and I'll flip the camera. There's more in this one.
Oh man. So there's one in both of them.
Yeah. There's 5 in here?
Oh man, so they all went in there. Do you want to lift it up, or are you okay with that height?
For now, I'm okay with the height. Look at this. Just crawling. Alright guys, hopefully you guys can see it okay. Hey, isn't my flipped? Can you look on my thing, see if I'm flipped? I can't tell. I don't have my phone with me.
These guys are out here saving some ducks. Some ducklings went into the storm drains. There we go. Let me go over to YouTube. Make sure I'm not upside down. I think they're about to probably walk this whole road on.
I heard that a duck quacked above my head.
Oh, there it is. Nice fill up.
Nope. Wait. Is that good or no? Yep, good. Yep. So it's saving some duckies, guys.
You need to stand up more?
Yeah.
I can help you.
Let's get her standing up.
Right. Let me help you out.
I'll hold this up and I'll have you stand her up. Hold on, guys.
Okay, there's that one.
You do all through?
Yep. Make sure they're all the way out.
Let me get over here. So
yeah, she keeps going in circles. They're going towards that. Okay, we'll get them all before.
I'm gonna take this camera off real quick. I want to get a shot of him in the hole. Give me a minute, guys. Is he still in there? Yeah.
He's still in there, yeah. There's like two. Yeah. This is all three.
Oh, they're in the middle. That's fun.
Cool. I will get him. Not on my watch. And then like literally right.
How you doing?
So just right there.
You know you can crawl through that little hole.
Grab that nothing over there.
I know the red can.
Yeah, these ducklings aren't going to go after that kind of stuff.
It's ducklings.
Who's down there in Nesca?
Yeah. Here, next time they get close, see if you can't scoop them towards you with that.
Hey guys, we're gonna go back over here.
Throw it back towards you.
Almost gonna get him!
Throw it back towards you.
You got your baby!
She mad. She wants that duck.
Yeah, she is.
That's what's kind of not going on. I gotta start spraying. Come out.
Hi guys, I can't really see the chat right now, so I'll get back to you guys in a minute.
Where's that water coming?
Hey, Tom. Yeah, no, where you park at? Right. The way you grab my phone real quick.
I can.
Because then it'll be easy for me to look at chat.
Yeah, I got you.
It should be in the seat. Alright. Hi guys, he's gonna go get my phone real quick so I can be able to chat with you guys still. I can't really see that. And just so you guys know, this is over off of Rogers Avenue in North College Drive. They're saving some ducks in the drains.
One's coming towards me. Oh no! It went down! Get back here.
You guys are having way too much fun.
Oh no. Hey, you have to have some.
I know, right?
Is it just one? Yeah.
That goes to here, hey, don't it? Hi guys, so they're heading over here because
That's good. Did you get those two?
guys, I'm gonna run over here for a minute. I can't look at the chat right now.
And that's the one. That's why I could hear it. I wonder why the only one's like true.
Here, Tanner.
You reaching with that? Yeah.
This is the most interesting. Oh, you got it. Oh yeah, probably. I just can't like. Yay, one more! Oh, you're so sweet. I didn't get him. I didn't get a picture.
Two more, Tanner.
But I don't know how I'm prepared for it. My mom is like dangerous. You're just in the background, showing hair and stuff.
Alright, let's go back over here a minute. Caught one over there. No guy in there. Did he go calling?
Yeah.
He went calling that way?
That one. Not that one.
Oh,
That way's dangerous.
I know, right? That way has bigger lines and stuff. You know what? I'm gonna get on that side because if he's walking that way, then come out that way. What? Sorry if I called that phone by accident. It's all good. Alright, so I'm gonna put this over here. So guys, update for you guys. So they were able to catch a couple of them.
I don't think you're on there. You're
There's
not on
mommy
there.
over there.
Okay, you're on there.
But they caught most of them. But there's one that literally went into the drain on the opposite side, so they weren't able to get them. Went and through the city drain.
There's one more! One more!
Oh shit.
Oh.
Going back to the other side. Going back to the other side.
Can I take a look at those little ducklings? Quick.
She just landed.
Alright. Alright guys, so we're about to give mommy her ducklings back.
Over there.
She's sitting there, but she'll fly off like that.
Mommy sees you grabbing the ducklings then. Come on guys. Yeah, release the ducklings in a minute. He's hoping, he's just trying to find a good spot to let them go because they were wanting to get back in the drains.
Still one in there.
What? No big deal. I hear you.
At least she went over there. That's a better, safer spot.
Yeah. I think she's taking a risk.
I wonder how they came over here. Like, there's no water over here.
They walk everywhere.
Get them.
do it in the early. That's what I was thinking too, but I need them.
Oh my.
Just a model.
I don't like meat. She's friendly and all, like, she went on my mom and I over my... Okay. And then I was like, when I break that, we're good. I walk really easily. Yeah.
Practice that.
Right after she goes to
Yeah, that's so we can call the mama. Buffalo.
yeah, she's really friendly and all.
Alright, we got one more. You ready for it? Okay, that's the last one.
Are you sure? Yeah. Good job. Yes, I can good girl.
What? Like, I'm just trying to figure it out.
We just had, you give them to her right here, then...
Then it's gonna go back in, yep.
I just have to do it in the yard over here. I get them back in the green.
I think they should put like little tiny little spot like screens over them.
Trying to catch mom or what? No, I don't want to put them back right here because they just go back in the drain. So we were thinking that field over there. But
Take them over and kind of loose, she'll find her. So, the last time we showed them to mom, caught mom, and took them to my one. Showed them baby. Let me get gloves back on.
Like, you can catch mom. Yep, I got zoom. Yeah, because then the things will run away and fly away. And let me step right here. It's like, just put me in this corner.
I don't know. I think I would cry. I've never seen ducks. Which way? I've never seen them fly back in until I heard.
They're trying, guys. Might put it back up there. Yeah, let me put it back. Oh, guys, let me. Just until we get figure out what the heck where we're going with this.
Yeah, that's what I would do.
here's Mama Duck. Mama Duck.
Yeah, so what they're trying to do is they're trying to catch the mom, and then they're gonna see if they can take the mom and the baby ducks to the lake.
That's gonna be tough. Almost need a net.
Because they caught the mom before. Not here, but this one, but another one.
Okay. They almost need a net.
Mama duck is somewhere in the sky right now.
Behind us. It's gonna come here in a minute. Yep, there it is. There she is. Going that way. We're gonna circle again.
My wife. She's, or not my wife, Storm Morlock. Because she's a member, she was able to do at least the duck movies.
There you go.
Alright guys, so what we're doing, let me see.
Yep, she went into a yard now.
If firefighters make it a little harder to work, man. Harder to work.
Yep. Yeah, this one we sent.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out which one it was.
Yep. And then these ones do the tilting.
Right there. It's crazy how he's the way over there. I'm like feel like I'm like right next to him.
Yep. Yep, it is.
It's called Scared Fighters
Yes.
on YouTube.
Yes.
Try to follow him because he's literally about to let him go. What our firefighters do for us, guys, definitely thank them for the service. If you guys are chatting in the chat, say thank you for your service. Wow, where'd Mom go? Man, I love zooming.
She's over there.
You gotta love when the view is upside down.
No, the view is right upside up, but on the on the live stream, it's upside right.
Yeah, it's the way that it works. It's just the way it works.
No, I know.
Because the camera here is up and in.
Yeah.
Due to the thing, I should be flipping this over, but when I'm in the vehicle, this mounts to the dash, and you just drive around all night.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Oh.
And I know it's because the way the lens flip it.
Yep.
I know my photography.
Come on, don't go beyond that vehicle. Don't be on that vehicle. Don't be going on that vehicle.
And goes behind this.
Alright, so we let him go right over there, guys. Right there.
Yay! Mom got reunited.
They're right there.
Stay away from here.
They're right over there. I don't know if you guys see him or not. They released them.
What is it?
Stand by news. So I'll show you what it looks like. Just like that.
Oh! Huh, I never knew.
Yep. Ladder one's pretty cool, the guys in it. I rode with engine one, and they're awesome. The same crew, but the different trucks. Thank you to these three right here.
They did end up releasing the ducks over here. The mama duck finds are definitely soon.
She will.
Yeah, she will. I'd have to go tell.
Want your box back? Hey, you guys can keep it.
Just in case you gotta get it more. I have to fuck with them guys. These
Jump
guys.
on that tray.
I see it. I'm just looking at this. Guys, this ladder one.
There we go. They got him out.
Oh, she's killing me. It's not because of this, though. Thank you to Ladder One, guys. Say thank you for your service. Wait for him to leave, that's all.
Yeah.
So there was some ducklings that was stuck in these drains over here.
I'm gonna pull up.
The one right here, and those that was stuck in this other drain over here. And so the firefighters got inside the drain and got the ducklings out, and they released the umami on the opposite side of me.
Stay right.
So over here, they